Hello guys, right, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we are going to go over this simple X pass, so please stay tuned if you wish to learn it. Pow! So to cover this X pass, what we're going to do is we're going to make this big figure eight motion here. When we work, so I've got my right hand, when we take it across to our left side, okay, I want you to throw this behind the back, okay, and have your hand here angled out. Alright, so that's going to protect your face from getting hit by the nunchuck, you see. So I'm going like this, and then over my shoulder here, and it will pass diagonally across over to this neck, this side of my neck, okay. So I'll show you now in slow-mo. Right, so part two, what I need you to do now is I need you to let this one go. From there, remember before when you sliced down and you sliced over here, right, and under this arm, and then it's going to diagonally cross over to this side of your neck, you see. Right, so we're going to go down, across. So we're making this almost this figure eight motion in front, but we're striking down and then we're crossing, do you see? And then we're striking diagonally down and then we're crossing. So that's that. Very simple. So I hope that helps you out. And please remember to subscribe. Just quickly, I've got myself some LED nunchucks. So if you want a self set, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can buy yourself a set of these. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a review on these hopefully next week. So I'll see you soon, guys.